All right. I wanted to address some of the things that I noticed from week 1 before we hop into the learning for week 2. The first thing I want to address is how to ask a good question on Schoology. Okay, the first thing is that I am going to ask you to be very specific in your question. Sometimes I'm getting questions that sound like this: I don't get it, or it doesn't work, or I don't know how to do it. Okay, there's a lot of work in each week, and if you say I don't get it, I don't know which part you are talking about. So if you are stuck on independent practice number 2, question number 4, you need to tell me, I am stuck on independent practice number 2, question number 4, so that I know exactly what you need help with and how to best support you. Okay, the second thing is at the bottom of this week's folder, you're going to find 2 links for the math tutoring sessions. So if you don't think that getting an answer through Schoology Messenger is going to help you the best, you can always click on those links at the bottom of the folder for your 2 tutoring sessions each week. Mine are on Wednesdays at 9 a.m. and Mondays at 1 p.m. Okay, so click on those links at those times if you need extra help, or if you just want to come by, say hi, get a better look at this sweet beard. Okay, the third thing, we are going to start this week with the lessons having you follow along on a piece of paper with a pen or pencil. So for the video that follows, which is the first instructional video, you are going to need a paper and a pencil so that you can do the work with me. Okay? So after this video is over, the first thing you should be doing before you move on is making sure that you have a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. All right, let's get to learning.